Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to quickly delete your Tinder account. First you need to open your Tinder account, and then on the top left corner you need to click on the profile, and then something like this pops up, and on the left corner right besides the camera you see the settings. You click on there and you scroll down until you see Delete Account on the bottom. You click on delete account and you get two options where you can either pause your account or delete your account. So I'm going to click on delete my account, and it is going to ask you if you're really sure if you want to delete your account. So you got to click anything from here. So I just clicked I made someone, and then it says congratulations, and now you can move forward to delete your account. So you just click delete my account. There you go, your account is deleted. You just click on got it, and you can either uninstall this account or create another account. Thank you.